Guys, sorry about this video. This video is FNAF 4 episode 1 season 2. I'm adding it because all the characters are deleted in my FNAF 4. This is a new series, like a new season. In case the robots are not there, I'm gonna play as a kids, everything. Yeah, and excuse me, I'm sick. And here's the video. Finally, I got out of my car. Like, not my car, my mom's car. Hey, sweetie. What does she want now? I only want to say I love you. I love you too, Mom. Have a fun day at the Free Fazbear's Pizzeria. It's FNAF 1, Mom. Just see it. I didn't just break a block. Okay. This place looks crashed. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's two new ones on the stage. Wait. Are these better for me to not go past? Let me see why I can't go past. Of course, right there. Why is there what's stone torch here? Pisic! This works. That's empty. That's cool. Oh, this one I can't. Wait. Got a door. Good. No, I can't. Whoa, this place is big. This place. Why are there random people around? That's creepy. Hello, little kid. What was that? I don't want to tell you who it is. I'm just gonna run away. I guess that's why they blocked it off. Still have a door. No, I don't want to be anywhere. Let's see. This fox looks. That fox is big. Why is everything so big? I'm only like one block, kind of. You look pretty. Wait. Oof, that's not blood. That's not that is. I don't know these robots' names. I only know a fox. And I don't know which kind of fox that is. But what's your name? My name is Toy Bunny of Awesome Rabbit of all the bunch. Okay, Toy Bunny. And what's your name? Now you have a husband. My name's Mingo, a fox girl. I really like that name, actually. What's your name? My name is Toy Freddy. I'm a host of this place. What? I don't get it. What's the other thing? I don't know. Now what's what's your name? You're cute, kind of. My name is Foxy, a pirate fox, a dog fox. That makes no sense. I know, Sam. I like that. And what's your name with a cupcake? My name is Toy Chica. Enjoy your place. And don't go in the rooms with doors covering it. Okay. Well, I've been in them like 1,000 times. What's your name? My name is Balloon Boy. So if y'all call me Baby. Okay, Baby. And what's your name? My name is JJ. Y'all call me JJ. My real name is Balloon Girl. Are you a sister of Balloon Boy? Yeah. And what's your name? My name's the Fun Time Foxy, a pirate of fun. Cool. Yo, Foxy. I want to go in here so bad. One day I will. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm good. The robots are attacking me, I guess. I hope not. Wait, I heard a door closed. What door closed? What door closed? I have to know. Okay, no door closed. Good. Whew. I hope I'm actually. It's pretty up. Cool. Ding dong, ding dong. Wait, it's the daytime time. That's 1 p.m. Right? I hope so. I hope I'm not an idiot. Can I have your hook? What's wrong with you, shave somebody's beard off? Guess I'm demonish. I wouldn't say my name. If that's not my name, creepy. I'm just gonna stay in here until when I have to go home. Ding dong. I need to go to the washroom. Which one's like boys or girls? I don't care. Open. I don't care. They need to already go in mouse actually. This feels good. Oof. I'm a good little boy. Nobody shouts at me. And maybe I'm getting candy. I'm pretty sure I get off the toilet now and flush. That's creepy. I just thought. And please don't stare at me. Only have one. Ding dong, ding dong. Don't kill me. Hey. Something that I meant was here. Wait, I meant. No. Wait, I mean, wait, it was here. Something is there. It's here. What? I guess that's a kid. I want it. Do I? No, I want to get in. Eh. Grab the door, good. Is there a guy here? I didn't break in. I didn't just break in. I have a whole bunch. I'm not gonna give up. Oh, it's raining out. I'll stay under so I can't leave. Ding, fake bell ring. Ding dong. It been was it 3 bells right one? I don't know. I think 3. I think I'm staying. How much time is the bell went off? I actually don't care. I'm just waiting for my mom. Ding dong, ding dong. Yeah, I think it's time to go home. I hate you, Julia. I will hate you. This is my car. It's not my car, my mom's car. Stupid wing, cashew. Just one. That's what I have. Just one. Mom! Get it. Okay. I'm so happy to see you. Okay. I'm in. Just fly. And then